Natural Kitchen. Today I'm excited to show you the soup that I love to make, especially in the winter season. It is called the ramen noodle soup. It is very easy recipe. I think everyone will find this very useful and everybody can make the soup at home. You do not need a lot of vegetables, you do not need a lot of the ingredients, and you can make one hearty, healthy, easy soup in just 15 minutes. So we have here all the ingredients and everything that you will need to make the ramen noodle soup. Okay, so let's start it. So now here we have it. We have this one delicious and healthy ramen noodle soup. So I'm going to put some cilantro here. I love cilantro, so I'm going to put more. And going to sprinkle with some fried garlic. Just smell that. It's so satisfying to smell the freshly fried garlic. And then we have some chopped scallions. Okay. And don't forget our crispy tofu. So this will add different texture to the soup. We have some soft vegetables, we have some soft noodles, and then we have some crunchy, crispy garlic, and then along with the crunchy tofu. Okay, when we're done, I'm going to take this to the table.
Good.
I have another.
The soup is good with the cold weather in the winter. I love it. Happy New Year.
Slow down there, buddy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fresh Road Kitchen. I'm Chana. Today I'm going to show you my favorite ramen noodle soup and how easy it is to make. It'll take about only 15 minutes, so you can all make it at home right after you watch this video.